Welcome to Mindful Zen Nation, your go to channel for all things health, beauty, and wellness. Today, we're diving into two incredible natural ingredients that can transform your hair and skin routine: chia seed gel and shea butter. Stay tuned to learn how these powerful duo can help you achieve glowing skin and luscious hair. First up, let's talk about chia seed gel. This nutrient packed gel is made by soaking chia seeds in water until they form a thick, jelly like consistency. But why is it so beneficial? Chia seed gel is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and locks in moisture. It's perfect for keeping your hair and skin hydrated, especially during dry seasons. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, chia seed gel nourishes your hair follicles, promotes growth, and prevents breakage. Ideal for sensitive skin, the gel calms irritation and redness, making it a great option for those with eczema or acne-prone skin. Now, let's talk about shea butter, nature's gift to skin and hair care. Extracted from the nuts of the African shea tree, this creamy butter is a powerhouse of goodness. Rich in fatty acids and vitamins A and E, shea butter penetrates deep into the skin and hair, providing long lasting hydration and protection. Shea butter helps to strengthen the skin barrier, preventing water loss while soothing conditions like dryness, cirrhosis, and sunburn. When applied to hair, shea butter reduces frizz, repairs damage, and leaves your locks shiny and manageable. Combining these two ingredients is simple and effective. Here's how you can incorporate them in your routine. Mix chia seed gel with a few drops of your favorite essential oil and apply it as a mask. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing for softer, stronger hair. Blend shea butter with a bit of coconut oil and whip it into a luxurious body cream. Apply it after a shower for deeply moisturized skin. Mix chia seed gel with shea butter for a lightweight, all natural leave in conditioner that fights frizz and locks in moisture. Chia seed gel and shea butter are two natural wonders that your hair and skin will thank you for. Give these DIYs a try and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more holistic beauty tips here on Mindful Zen Nation. Until next time, stay mindful and stay radiant.